So, I was trying to decide what to eat for dinner the other day. Sushi? Yakiniku? Ramen? And I realized I haven't eaten okonomiyaki, a kind of savory Japanese pancake, for a long time. So I braved the rainy weather and made my way to my local okonomiyaki shop. There are some larger, more commercial chains around, but I recommend always trying out mom and pop shops when you can for a real local experience. So what exactly is okonomiyaki, and where did it originate from? The story appears to begin with funoyaki, a sweet pancake-like convection consumed during Buddhist ceremonies in the 16th century in Japan. Although the exact ingredients remain unclear, it might at this stage have included wheat gluten, or fu. Others say this pancake was created by Sen no Rikyu, the founder of the Japanese tea ceremony. As the years progressed, a savory version of this dish gained popularity. People started enjoying it regularly as a hearty and filling meal. This transition marked the birth of the modern okonomiyaki as we know it today. The term okonomiyaki itself is intriguing. It combines two words, okonomi, meaning how you like or what you like, and yaki, meaning grilled. Essentially, it reflects the idea that you can customize the dish to your preference. What is it made of? The basic modern okonomiyaki contains flour, cabbage, eggs, dashi, or Japanese soup stock, and whatever topping the chef wants to add. Some common toppings are thin slices of meat or seafood. The batter is mixed with a chopped cabbage and cooked on a griddle, with or without toppings. It's usually served up with a special glaze-like sauce, dried nori or seaweed flakes, and a drizzling of mayonnaise. Modern okonomiyaki is closely associated with two distinct regional varieties. The most common is the type mentioned above and is generally called Kansai or Osaka style. The other is Hiroshima style, with the main difference having a layer of noodles in the okonomiyaki and usually with seafood. However, you'll find okonomiyaki throughout Japan, with toppings and batters varying by area. It's a beloved comfort food enjoyed by people of all ages. From the description of the ingredients, it doesn't sound like much, but trust me, it's very delicious and affordable. So, here's my trip to my local okonomiyaki joint in a bit more detail. It's a really small mom and pop shop with only 3 Japanese-style tables and counter service. As you can see, there's a griddle built into each of these special tables so you can cook the okonomiyaki there if you choose to sit Japanese style. I chose the counter seats for a better view, and it's better for my back as well. Here's the griddle where all the magic takes place, with the small kitchen off to the side. The menu is both available at your seat and up on the wall. They've really got a lot of varieties to choose from. But first, nothing better than starting off the meal with Japanese beer, of course. Here are your unique utensils for your okonomiyaki experience. You use these spatula-type thingies to cut and serve the okonomiyaki, and chopsticks to eat the cut pieces. We ordered 2 okonomiyaki, one with cheese and one with squid. And here's the first step, mixing all the ingredients together. It's essential to make sure they are mixed evenly to make sure they stick together. Here's a closer version of the chef at work. Next, when the griddle is hot, a little bit of oil is spread over it. We also had a side order of negima, which usually is chicken, but this time skewered pork belly and leeks. It's being started first. Then the okonomiyaki mixture is piled on the griddle. Well, only half at first, because this is the cheese version. So the cheese is added next. And then the rest is piled on top. Thin slices of pork are added to the top. Now here's checking on the negima. And it's time to start the squid okonomiyaki. In this one, the squid is already mixed in, so no need to do the half and half method. Pork is also added. And here's a side view so you can see how thick the okonomiyaki start out. Making sure the negima is cooked to perfection. Here it is. Here's a selection of togarashi, or spicy powder if you like. 3 different levels for everyone's taste. Okay, the okonomiyaki are cooked and ready for the final stages. Here's the aforementioned okonomiyaki sauce, and it's generously applied to the okonomiyaki. Here's an artful drizzle of mayonnaise. and some salt and pepper. Some nori, or seaweed powder, and it's all done and delivered to the little bit cooler griddle in front of you. You can use the bigger spatula to cut it into whatever size pieces you like. Here's the cheese one. This is my squid okonomiyaki. It has a nice texture while cutting into it, and the sauce starts caramelizing on the grill. Transferred to my plate, and trying to eat it is easier said than done while holding a camera. And all done. The griddle is ready to be cleaned and prepared for the next order. There are okonomi shops all over Japan, so it should be easy to find one. So I highly recommend you experience this must-try Japanese food. Well, as always, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as push that notification bell to never miss more tidbits from Japan.